a young bucko here. Staying at the Sunrise Inn Hotel here, Mondovi, Wisconsin. Got Hell's Angels going by or something. We just checked in. We're doing a veterans ride tomorrow. Heroes don't wear capes, they wear dog tags. So, how appropriate. But, yep. It's the hotel we're staying at. We're here a day early, Mondovi. You know what I have to say to that? Sheriff Joe. Mondovi, Wisconsin. Acknowledge me. Alright, let's go see the equestrian team here. The Junkyard Gang. Oh no. The hell is that?
Raspberry pie.
The raspberry?
Oh no. This guy thinks he's gonna call his little Polaris a silver bullet. I tried telling him that there's only one silver bullet and it's a Can-Am, but don't worry, I'll be the tow truck driver if he needs to get a tow, because you know we. America 250. UFC. White House. Woo! All right, we're out here in East Jesus Nowhere. Ron and Angie's Northside Bar and Grill. I don't know where we are. We were in Mondovi, and then we went north. So East Jesus Nowhere, bumfuck Egypt. Beerrubbers.com. Ooh.
Yeah. Well, ideally, I do that. Yeah. And I don't know where to get it. It's like, why the hell?
Alright, so we cannot ride on US Highway 10. But this is how the ATVs and side-by-sides get to the Lone Pine in... I'm not sure what town we are in, but this is the Lone Pine. West of Mondovi. Lone Pine.
Thank you.
So this is a nacho burger. We're splitting it. And this is a taco mac and cheese. Like, wow.
That looks pretty amazing.
Even Chewbacca is so excited he has butter.
I might need one.
Alright, sorry people, don't call the cops. I'm following them. I'm gonna assume Paul and Jamie know who you are. I'm gonna assume you know who these people are, so the Barney Fife doesn't come and fucking whoop my ass. Right? Barney Fife isn't gonna come whoop my ass. Oh, it's Paul. Okay, we're not being outlaws. I'm just following. I am now breaking a law. All right, we are in the town of Urne at the Whitetail Bar and Grill. Urne. All right, we are in the town of Urne at Whitetail Bar and Grill. Doesn't it look like it says urine? Alright, it looks like we actually have some weather rolling in. Probably just some rain, but looks like we have some weather